Okay, so same deal as the previous one. We've got T4 equals 115, T8 equals 101. If you haven't already had a go at it, good idea to have a go at doing it first rather than just watching the video and getting me to do it. Okay, so we're up to the fourth terms, 115 is T1, T2, T3, T4. And then we've got another bunch of terms here before we get up to T8 being 101. Okay, so remember the way that we're supposed to do it is we're supposed to say, let's do our formula first. And so T4 will be equal to whatever T1 is, which we don't know at this stage, plus 4 minus 1 multiplied by D. But we know that T4 is 115. So we've got 115 equals T1 plus 4 minus 1, which is 3, D, and that becomes our first equation. Now, second equation is T8 this time equals T1 plus 8 minus 1, D. But T8 we know is 101. 101 is equal to T1 plus 7, D. 8 minus 1 is 7, and that's our second equation. Now, same as before, we're going to go 2 minus 1. Equation 2 minus equation 1. Which means we're going to go 101 minus 115. So I don't know if that was clear last time. 101 minus 115 on this side of the equation. Here we're going to go like T1 minus T1, like those and they cancel out, and then we're going 7D minus 3D plus 7D minus 3D. Okay. Now we often don't write that line. We just write what the outcome is. So it's 101 minus 115, which is negative 14. Now these cancel, and over here it just leaves us with 4D again. Then we've got to divide both sides by 4. You've got to undo the 4. So now we've got negative 14 divided by 4 is negative 3.5. So that cancels the 4s. Now, it makes sense for us to have a negative D this time because if you have a look, we're going down as we go from, as we head along. The number's getting lower as you go along. So the common difference is a negative number this time. All right, let's keep on going. We're going to sub that back into either of the equations. Probably one is fine. Sub D equal to negative 3.5 into equation 1. So that's 115, just looking up here, is T1 plus 3 lots of negative 3.5. Okay, and so 3 times negative 3.5 is negative 10.5. So T1 minus 10.5 is 115. And so we've got to add the 10.5 over. So T1 is going to be 126.5. And you add the 125.5, sorry. Yeah, good idea to just double check all these things. 115 plus 10.5. Yeah, cool. Okay. And now we can work out what are we trying to find? The 23rd term, isn't it? 23rd term. So T23 is equal to T1. Well, hold on. I'll write the formula so you know where all this is coming from. So T23 is equal to T1, which is 125.5, plus N, which is 23. 23 minus 1, multiplied by negative 3.5 was our D. Okay, so that we've already got T1 up there, plus 23 minus 1, multiplied by negative 3.5. gives 48.5. And again, you can just double check 125.5 minus 3.5. That's the second term, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th. I've lost count. 18th, 19th, 20, 21, 22, 23. Okay, so have a go now at doing question 5. There's more questions just like that, question 5. And then have a go at doing the rest of 4.3. And there's also an EP quiz for you to do on arithmetic sequences.